Hey folks, welcome back for the 8th day of Licksmas. I hope you've been enjoying the new banjo and guitar licks every single day. And if you didn't notice, I want to point out that I put a Christmas ornament on my cactus. That blurry circle over there, that's a Christmas ornament. Remember, if you want to learn any of the licks that you learned during the Licksmas season on banjo, you can check out Eli Gilbert's channel. He's been posting a video every day just like me, teaching the exact same licks. Anyway, for the 8th day of Licksmas, I've actually brought you one of my guitar licks that I'd really like to show you. So this is the Big Tony Rice lick for Licksmas. The beginning has the line cliche of connecting the 3rd to the 5th. You may recognize this from Tony's Blue Ridge Cabin Home break. It also ends with the famous toe, knee, rice chords. You see, Tony Rice invented the guitar in the early 1600s so he could play manzanita, and this lick is inspired by transcriptions found painted on the insides of caves in modern-day North Carolina and California. Here's the lick again at 2 different speeds. Awesome. If you want to learn all 12 licks for Licksmas, hit that subscribe button down below, and that means you get a notification every time a new video comes out. You can also check out Eli Gilbert if you want to learn the banjo versions. And if you're looking for the tab will come out at the end of the series. That'll be on my website, lessonswithmarcel.com. So, all right, I'll see you tomorrow for the ninth day of Licksmas.